Hey guys, Kevin here, and Mojang just added an awesome new combat feature. So it's like whenever you do trick shots on any enemy, you can always one hit KO them. So here I'm standing on this high stand right here. So if you fall off, you die instantly. But this awesome new feature will prevent you from dying and one shot the enemy. Here's a regular enemy. Takes 3 hits to kill. Oh, I'm terrible. I know. There. Takes a lot to kill. But if you do trick shots, that's when you spin in mid-air. Like this. Boom. You can always one-shot them, no matter what, no matter how much health they have. And I'm not even cheating. I'm not even having a feather falling. See, this is just a regular bow also. Hold on. Alright. Hold on. So I'll show you again. This is when you're not doing trick shots. It takes a long time to kill the enemy. But if you do trick shots, then you always one-shot them. Boom. Like that. No cheating. So yeah, I encourage you guys to try this new feature. It's awesome. I don't know if it works on any other devices other than PC, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like if you like this new feature. And I'll talk to you later. And see you guys.